Here at McDonald's in Woodstock Avenue in Rutland, Vermont, Charlie Coughlin's so cheap he would not close the store so the construction workers could do the remodeling. So you got a guy in here doing the tiles while the guy is trying to take the cash register service. You're trying to get through the drive-thru. They're working on the roof. So why doesn't McDonald's Corporation do something about this and Cough Incorporated stop being so damn cheap? 7 minutes we're waiting at the window because of the construction and whatever else is going inside at McDonald's. Still nobody in sight to even answer me to bring me my food. Guy just came a couple of minutes ago and said, "Oh, have you paid?" I said, "Yeah, I paid." "Oh, goodbye, have a great day." I said, "No, I need my food."
It's a complaint, Jesus Christ. You go to fucking McDonald's, you ask for your food, it comes out, look at this thing, half broken. I asked for 2 sweet and sour sauces for my sausage burritos, and I get 2 mayo picante and 1 sweet and sour sauce. And the lady repeated it back to me and everything else.
Here we are, McDonald's Woodstock Avenue. They got the front blocked off. Heavy equipment. I was here a couple weeks ago. They were jackhammering, sawing, and banging and making all sorts of noises. The crew that was working had hearing protection, everything else on. The crew that works at McDonald's, the employees at McDonald's, had no hearing protection, screaming to get people's orders. The window was out, freezing cold. Why didn't Charlie Coughlin over there in that greenhouse right over there just close the damn store down? But no, got to keep your patrons displeased and dissatisfied in order to make a few bucks. The job would have went quicker and faster. You just shut the damn store down for a couple weeks and let this company do their job. Seven 3.